In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix packet loss in Discord voice chat. Packet loss is one of the most common reasons your friends might hear you cutting in and out, sounding robotic, or dropping completely from the conversation. It happens when some of the data packets that carry your voice don't reach Discord servers correctly. The good news is, there are a few practical things you can try to reduce or even eliminate it, and we'll walk through them step by step. First, let's start with your connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection if at all possible. A cable is usually more stable and much less prone to interference. If you have to stay on Wi-Fi, move closer to your router and make sure there aren't too many walls or devices between you and it. Also, pause large downloads or streaming on other devices in your home, because they can eat up bandwidth and cause packet loss in your calls. Next, restart your networking gear. Unplug your router and, if you have one, your modem as well. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and give them a couple of minutes to fully reboot. This can clear up temporary glitches in your connection that lead to packet loss. After everything is back online, reopen Discord and test your voice chat again. Now, let's adjust a few Discord settings that can help. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then find the Voice and Video section. Make sure you've selected the correct input and output devices, especially if you use USB headsets or external microphones. Scroll down and disable any unnecessary voice processing features one at a time, such as advanced noise suppression or echo cancellation, and test after each change. Sometimes these features can increase CPU usage or add instability on lower-end systems. You can also try changing the server region of your voice channel if you manage the server or have permission. Pick a region that is geographically closer to you and most of your friends. A closer region usually means lower latency and fewer lost packets. Finally, keep your system and Discord up to date. Install the latest operating system updates, update your network drivers, and make sure you're running the most recent version of Discord. Outdated software can cause performance issues that show up as audio problems. Work through these steps methodically, testing your voice chat after each change. With a bit of patience, you can usually track down the cause of packet loss and enjoy smoother, clearer conversations on Discord.